live. Oh, absolutely. Hello, and welcome to Train Symbiotic. I've just been trying to do a few little bits. I just need to adjust my chroma key a bit to make me a little bit more visible, so that should be better now. Press close, so yep, I should be a bit more visible now. How's everyone? I hope you're all good today. As you can see, Facecam have made a comeback, and I don't know how far out my mic is from my camera, and I don't know how far out my camera is from my camera, but I have also managed to do, hopefully this will work, this is what I was trying to sort out. We got Handcam back again, so this camera is now done via HDMI rather than input. So that's now working again. So how's everybody? So about for a delay earlier on. And let's go and press that button. And I need to adjust me a bit, so do that. And make me a bit smaller. There we go. So I got, oh, it's that side. Ignore that little line there. That's just everything being everything. I could zoom in a little bit more on that one, but that just starts to get complicated. So cheers, Lee. Hiya, Anthony. Hiya, Lee. Well, I got you both there. Would you be interested in helping with my Easter giveaway? If you are, just send me a message on Facebook and I'll get you signed in. So I'll tell you for details. If you're not too interested, I quite understand. So let me go to this one, get my face off screen for a few moments. So you can see where about we got up to, and you'll see that I have actually removed the bits from there, as I had a bit of an epiphany and destroyed it. So after playing with Super Glue last week, I thought, why not glue it and then put it around? So I think that that's looking good enough. If I move that to over there, the amount of trouble I had trying to get everything to work, and just to check, is my audio working? Yeah, my audio is working. So one of these I actually broke a little bit, but I should be able to get it to work still. We got two of those and that. So those two are the same. So my thoughts is, if I assemble it on the here dry, I can then stick it all together. So you would have thought I would have learnt by now. The idea with my Easter giveaway is on a selection of channels. There's going to be an Easter egg, and then the idea is you put all the letters together and you will get a word. Okay. Hi Mark, good to have you there. And Mark, if you're interested in helping with the Easter thing, so it's just, I'll send a grab for it, and then you just make sure to display it at some point in your video. Yeah, that might actually be working. Or this could be an absolute disaster. But while I'm preparing for disaster, I've been editing Saturday's video and realised I forgot to do the introduction to the video, so that will be coming up. Yeah, it will be a graphic which I'll get to you closer to the time with a letter. So it's the week before Easter. Everyone will have to display the letter, and it will make a word. And then everyone just needs to email the word. So it's a good way to get people to go to other channels, as I always support getting other channel views. And it's something fun. Okay, so that's at the top like that. So yeah, ideally I want to try to get 5 other channels evolved. And then it's good for people to see other channels. So as you can see, I'm trying to get this to work without sticking myself to the model. So this week is a new concept on the video of visiting a model shop, which I hope works. Next week is Ali Pali, which I'm hoping to get the video up on the Saturday by 7, but it's just depending on a lot of technology working. But Ali Pali is a show which is special to me. I know some people like it, I know some people hate it. Yeah, I know the problem there. So, the idea with a giveaway is just, it can be in your live streams, it can be anywhere about you show anything you do in that week. Oh, sausages. Okay, I'm going to skip this bit. It's turning into an absolute palaver. I'm going to these poles here. I'm going to design something I can 3D print and paint. As best way to do this is not to put that on to start off with. So you make your supports around the pole, and then you will then you can put the top on. So I'm going to feed that suggestion back, as there might be some simple trick I'm missing, but I reckon I can easily 3D print a replacement for those 2 bits, as I've been running too long on this. So let's go on to the instruction sheet. So it then say we can then start to make the roof. So we have a center support and an end support. No, I don't think it will. I'm just going to 3D print it. So we're now putting the 2 supports in. Don't get me wrong, if this is more a case of me being a clumsy person and not having the dexterity to actually do this, and a bad bit on the kit. So I'm not marking the kit down for it. It's just the way I am. And now that I know about that, I'll go and do it slightly different in the future ones. So we got this. We got that, and we got that. So let's go and build a reef. So I'm also wanting to get this finished today. So I'll do what I can to get this to work. I also need to take into account that people don't want to watch me spending the next 3 weeks trying to fit these bits in, and now I have worked out how to do them on future builds. I'll be able to do it better next time. So we put the roof on, then we put the roof over that. No, we put those bits around, then we put the roof over that, then we put the roof on. And this is going to be a bit awkward because I haven't quite got it done properly. So stick these on. Making sure to put the glue on the correct side. And then glue on this. Definitely making sure not to stick it onto myself like that. Then put a good dolloping of glue on the top. Ah, so there was a mistake with those, so if I brought out some replacement ones. I have managed to get super glue on myself. So I think one of the biggest learning things from this today is read the instructions before starting and dry fit it. As if I dry fitted those columns, I would have worked out the problem. So let's go back to this and do that. We can see it's looking much better now. So we've done that, we've done that. I'm not going to worry about the glass front. Glass front and then advertising. So I think this is as far as I'm getting with this one. But I have something different for us to do for the last little bit. So if I go and do that, leave that to one side, get my super glue confiscated from me, remove everything sticky from my desk, and then reach over here. So, from the model shop that we're seeing, we'll be visiting on Saturday's video at the model railway show, which one for Ilkeston show. I picked this up from him. I haven't taken it out for a box yet. So let's go and have a little unboxing and a quick play. So this is a Batman Class 121 and it's sound fitted. So like normal, good Batman packaging. And in there we have our sound sheet, our instruction for getting inside and what everything does. It's already fitted with a plus 22 decoder. And then join the Batman Club, which I'm already a member of. Make sure to remove that. Take the logo out of the pack. Then, if I go across to this camera, you can see that it comes with a blanking plate and a few details. Then underneath, we can see nice wheels, little space for speakers and other wheels. Very light train. So if I go back to Z21, we can have a little look at it. But what's the point of a sound train if we're just going to look at it. Let's go and grab this box here. Let's go and grab one of those. Grab one of those. Grab one of those. And grab that. So if I reach across here, I can knock everything out with a single plug socket. I would normally use a rolling road, but my rolling road is currently out being on loan. So get this, plug it in there, plug the track on, and the track on. As this is an older controller, it doesn't have access to alpha function. Hiya, Ash. So if I go and grab this and do that, let me just check. Yep, I can go and press function 0 to make sure that it's working. Actually, first of all, turn on power, which is, oops. So by default, this is chip number 3. Yep, this is the train I bought the other week. So I can only get up to function 9. So we've got engine start up, we got brake, we got single horn, wrong thing, we got double horn, we got cold start, we got spree, we got sits, whatever sits is. We then got 7, which is for flange, which if we move him on a bit, we should hear. Does help if I do that. Then we got 8, which is always one of my favourite. Some of these we need to turn for function on and off. Now turn for movement on and off. And then function 9 should be for lights. But I can't seem to see them changing. I'm not sure if I have the thing in the correct mode. So yeah, it does working properly. It's just I'm not used to this controller any longer. But does help if I press that button. So function 9 should be for lights, but I can't see it. Function 8 does do, no, 0 does do for front lights. So that's as many functions as I can do on this loco. And I think that this is a good way to finish it. So if I go and press that, I'm going to call it there. Hiya Sarah. Is there anyone I missed in chat? So hiya Anthony, hiya Ash, hiya Mum, hiya Mark, hiya Lee. So like I said, Saturday's going to be a visit down to Matlock Bath. Then next week we should be live on Wednesday, and hopefully the kit should be working much better. And then Saturday or Sunday next week will be Ali Pally. I'll try to contact the people about the Easter thing in the next week. And I think I'm going to leave it there. So thank you, everybody. I always appreciate you there. Thank you very much.